So this project is part of our modernization initiative, investing in Illinois. The existing pipe here is 8-inch steel main that was installed in 1930. We're replacing it with 12-inch steel, about 7,200 feet of it.
There is a program that we have at Nicor Gas. It's investing in Illinois, and it allows us to upgrade our infrastructure. And some of that infrastructure may be a piece of pipe like this. This particular piece is about 7,200 feet long. This main was put in originally back in 1930.
It's about 1.5 miles. It's a 230-pound line. We're looking at about 3 months worth of work here that we'll get it all. New main installed, tied in. We got to transfer 5 services and then retire the old main.
And we're also, upgrading the customers' systems too, where we're moving meters from inside to outside. And then we're also upgrading our stations that regulate the gas systems into communities. We're replacing the infrastructure, and we're ahead of the game. You want to replace stuff and to modernize it, to assure that you have that reliability and safety in years to come. This 7,200 feet is also just as important as any other piece across our system, and we're able to adjust flows if needed. And so this piece here is very critical to assure that reliability on our system.
The existing main is still gassed. We're going to run a new main beside it, tie in, then essentially there's 2 gas mains live at the same time. We transfer the services over to the new main, and then we can come back and retire the old main. We'll either pull it back in after a bore shot, we'll pull it back through, or we'll open cut some of these sections and set the new pipe in. So we got the pipe strung out here, they stage it, weld it all up, get everything x-rayed. All the welds got to get x-rayed because it's a 230-pound line. Crossing this creek, we found that it's all rock at about 54 inches deep, so we weren't able to directionally drill it how we normally had been for the rest of the project. We had to get a bigger drill out here to do a rock bore to get under that creek. Safety concerns on this one are obviously always excavation safety, and then because there's only 1 lane of traffic going either way, we got traffic controls, we got flaggers out here 100% of the time.
Well, it is important. Obviously, before you put a shovel in the ground, start any excavation, you want to know where all that infrastructure is. And that's, to keep not only the contractor safe, but to keep the public safe too, because all that, again, is avoidable if those proper measures are taken. Quite often, the only interaction that a customer has is turning the thermostat, and that's what we want. We want that reliability, that if that customer needs more heat in their home, they can turn that thermostat knowing that it will be there. Every piece of main out there is critical to our system. We reflect on that and understand that, and investing in Illinois allows us to make sure that system is reliable for years to come.
It's for upgrading our infrastructure. Really, we're looking at the aged infrastructure and replacing it before there is a problem.
Nicor Gas has been for over 60 years providing a reliable service to our communities and neighbors, customers, and again, whether it's locating and other safety aspects, it is a top priority of ours. We want everybody to come to work safe, we want everybody to go home safe, whether that's our contractors, our customers. I think, that's our mission here at Nicor Gas, and we've done a really good job at that.